The Minister has still not clarified for the people of the country or the local and international investor community what is the future of the current IMF agreement. Is a new extended fund facility being sought? Will there have to be adjustments to the current agreement and new targets and benchmarks set? We don't know. There are still more questions than answers. Equally, or perhaps more disturbing, is the sad fact that there is no coherent, discernible growth strategy that sets out the role of the government in stimulating public sector investment and in encouraging and channeling private sector investments. This is critical for the creation of jobs and growth, especially in the existing challenging international climate. It is also vitally important if we are to grow the economy sufficiently so that we can meet our future debt service obligations.